Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you guys one thing I think every Rust beginners who just study Rust and look into the set up the editor for themselves to working with Rust uh, have to be know. So this is the I would say minimum setup uh, tip is it goes for everyone who just start learning Rust and don't know how to do that. So basically, like everybody else, I also install Rust Analyzer. So we have I already installed Rust Writer here, right? So after install Rust Analyzer, we don't have this kind of thing. So let me undo my setting, and then yeah, you don't have detail. Okay, this is really too important. So the code look like that. You will see that the the inline here, this is the inline here is very hard to read because for example in this case the variable buffer will the variable buffer have the data type is arrays unsigned array chart with the size it tells. So the VS Code just show the inlays data types, right, for variable. And then because the you see the light the color and the the color of the inlay here is very similar with variable. It's always it's a white color. So when you look at the Rust, it's very lumpy here, right? It's very lumpy, so it cannot focus. You cannot focus in your code. But with this setting, simple setting, then it will change your the how the Rust look like. So first of all, we need to enable the inline lifetime elisions hints here, and then reborn hint here. Then if we show you, it's basically if we told you the how Rust lifetime check and then borrow check look like. So we will have here, right? So after this, you will see there are some character and here. You see this is my variable is socket2, and then it have the the reference character and then two bracket outside. That's the reason we have the reborrow hint here. So it told you that the even use only type socket2, but actually when Rust doing they is that you borrow the reference from the socket2. So that reason why here is line 32 you will see the reference character and then two bracket. But you still see that this one is very lumpy, right? Very lumpy, a lot of overlays, inlays, hints in your code. So after doing research a very long time, so I figured out that we can actually change the inlay background into more beautiful. So we see here the color here is changing, right? So okay, let me remove one thing. This one is duplicating, I think. Yeah. So you see after change this one, then you will see that this inline type like join handle here is just like a common code. So when you read the code, you will only focus on your code, only focus on on your variable, and then also it show you the borrow check, and then parameter of the name of the parameter of the person, everything in a different color. dark color, and then your code will be you will be very easy to focus. So I will leave these configurations in the description, and then you guys just need to update it into the settings.json. So how to get the dots? Yeah, sometimes people new with because you don't know how to go to settings.json. You just press Ctrl C P and then type setting. So here you have setting. You choose the user setting, open user setting. Then you have this one. Okay, I do this again. Setting, user setting, and then you should go here. Yeah, JSON, and then you just copy this code, put inside your session, and then need to hint setting for Rust analyzer. Then after that, you will have all the inlays, which is the data type of the variable, the borrow check, and then yeah, borrow check, and then the name of the functions variable arguments, and then we also have the lifetime. Let me move into another file. Have the lifetime here. You can see the lifetime hint here, like 0 0 0 0 here. So if you visualize the lifetime of the variable, and then visualize the how Rust doing borrow check, how Rust doing borrow, and then also show the data type of the variable in the very dark color. So you help you to only focus on your code only. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope this tip is useful for you guys, and then help you guys save a lot of time. Thank you very much.